Innovation is not just about ideas, it's about turning them into reality. At Lexicon MILE, we believe in empowering future leaders with creativity, problem-solving skills, and an entrepreneurial mindset.
Welcome to the launch of the Lexicon Centre for Design Thinking, Innovation and Entrepreneurship. This is an interface that uses design thinking as a tool to spur innovation and thus create entrepreneurial ventures.
Design thinking, in a very simple term, is a human-centric systematic model of problem solving. So design thinking is not about designing, it's about solving a problem.
My key takeaways from the design thinking workshop were to take chances and be courageous.
I have recently attended a workshop of design thinking. There I have learned to solve my problem differently. Now I can think outside the box and experiment with my ideas instead of jumping directly into the conclusion.
With access to expert guidance and hands-on projects, we can change the way hospitality operates through technology and creativity.
Design thinking isn't just a skill, it's a mindset. I am excited to apply it in hospitality and create innovative guest experiences.
Design thinking and innovation go hand in hand. And I think it's especially important for students of animation and media, because a center like this is important because it will give them the tools to bring their creative visions to life. They will be able to blend storytelling with technology and create groundbreaking solutions.
Innovation is essential for all industries, including hospitality industry. The center is going to be very much beneficial for all students.
The center will equip students with cutting-edge design thinking methodologies, which will lead to innovation and also foster entrepreneurship at the campus.
I'm proud to be a part of this transformative journey. The launch of our startup, The Handmade Heaven, has been a dream come true. And Lexicon MILE played a crucial role in shaping our innovative mindset.
Being selected for the prestigious pre-incubation program at Debatu Forum of Innovation and Incubation Enterprises has given us top-notch mentorship, resources and infrastructure. This is just the beginning of our journey in the startup ecosystem.
I can't wait to bring my ideas to life and collaborate with mentors from different industries.
This is the perfect platform to explore innovations and take our startup dreams forward. The center provides with necessary information and support and networking connections that will help startup to grow and succeed.
We are really looking forward for the Center of Design Thinking and Innovation. As a student, it would really help us to be creative and critical thinkers and would help us to solve real-life world problems with solutions.